As you all know, that environment, if we are going to talking about the environment, so how we can forget about the plants, trees and animals.
Hi everyone. Hi. How are you all? So guys, आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन सेशन का टाइटल है एनवायरमेंट अवेयरनेस डे। और जैसे कि आपको पता चल रहा है नाम से ही कि ये एनवायरमेंट से रिलेटेड है, यानी कि हमारी मदर नेचर से रिलेटेड है। सो आज के सेशन में हम जानेंगे और समझेंगे कैसे हम मदर नेचर को बचा सकते हैं, उसका ख्याल रख सकते हैं, ताकि हम भी एक बेहतरीन, हेल्दी और अच्छी लाइफ जिए अपनी मदर नेचर के साथ साथ। सो आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? Yes! So let's embark it.
Hi everyone, this is Sky. Today I am going to talk about environment. As you all know, that environment, if we are going to talking about the environment, so how we can forget about the plants, trees and animals who are getting demolished day by day. You all know that the monkeys and all are these type of animals are getting demolished. As like the monkeys, which are the very important animal in the in any forest or any place, they are using for the medicine experiment that this medicine is good for our human or not. So guys, these are the things made by demolished by the humans. Yeah guys, and the environment, you all know that there are several of the things, as you can say that scooties, bike and all these things, they are increasing and some of are decreasing also, because the electric vehicles are making, but people are not using it. Why? Because there are several of people who like to do races and all these things. You all know that some of the electric cars or bikes can be powerful, but not that much as compared to petrol or diesel cars. So there are several of the people who are using petrol and diesel cars and making our earth polluted. So in this case, I want you all to do not pollute our earth and use EV vehicles. Thank you.
Environment Awareness Day. Today, we are having a session in which we have to just speak. But are we doing it in daily life? What is the main problem we are having these days? AQI is being increased. You know, on the 17th of November, it gone upper than the 1200. And it was this much that the people are getting a lot of diseases. Let's talk about the solutions and the effects we are having and what we are doing for it. We all are throwing garbage in the ocean, by which we are getting some more pollution. And in the air, we are burning the plastics, which is not useful for us. We must wear the mask. It can be helpful for us. Have you ever noticed that the food you are eating, is it helpful for us? Is it good for us? It's not at all. For being hygiene, you must eat the healthy food. You must wear the mask. Some of the things which you can do for you, you must do. You must do, because the other things which is happening with us, by which we are getting a lot of diseases that are not that are too much harmful for us. That's all, and thank you.
As we know guys, why natural disaster is so harmful for the peoples. Natural disaster. Do you know Black Saturday? In Australia 2009, it is the biggest forest fire in the world. Why? Because in Australia forest, trees so big, but not clean air and oxygen level is so high. We can't forest fire in survival. And do you know tsunami? In Indonesia, world biggest tsunami is come in 1967. And do you know tornado? In Rajasthan, I belongs from Rajasthan and I saw a tornado in Rajasthan. It is so big. And I see tsunami so well in Madhya Pradesh and etc. Thank you.
You all guys are wearing new clothes, fashionable clothes, and these things are coming from where? From the fashion industry only. Do you know this fashion industry is making your whole world this much demolished that in future, in upcoming future, you will be even not able to walk here and there in deserts, and even in lots of other countries, in lots of places, the clothes are totally thrown up there. We throw garbage, but their clothes are thrown up. But why? Because we know that the clothes which are making in the factory, which are made in the factories, these clothes are even some of are not in use, some of are washed and even not in use. So they throw that. Do you know that clothes are literally new? But why people are not using that? Because the reason is this, that people want new clothes, even best clothes out of 10, and the reason people are wasting that. So what can be the solution? Only this, that we can donate. No, we can reuse, we can recycle that, we can donate to other people that you can have. Poor people, those who are not affording clothes, they can get this. Thank you.